Okay, sixth grade. Our objective today is to review for your first cumulative exam, which is on chapters 1 through 4. After this one, I will give you guys a cumulative review and exam after every 2 chapters, just to make sure you're not forgetting material. So I know the whole point of this class is, okay, you're 2 years accelerated. We want to make sure you guys are challenged. However, I want to make sure your retention is good. What does that mean when I say that? Alyssa? Yeah, learning and, Doug? Okay, use a different word. You're right. Just in case, Justin. Good, remembering things. I don't want you just to forget it after we have a test. That's not why I give you a test. I give you tests to make sure I'm doing my job and you're doing your job as a student. The cumulative reviews, review games, and then the exam that we have to take on it is to make sure that we're spiraling, I am spiraling the information, you're not forgetting it. So it's extremely important that you do well on these. They're a big part of your grade because they're going to be worth more than a normal test. This one, your exam on this is going to be Wednesday or Thursday next week, okay, depending on how things go today. And then after that, we'll spend a little bit of time starting chapter 5 before break. We won't finish it, but that's okay. That's something else where you have to remember it. You know, even though we have a break, still something we're going to come back to. Sean? 1 through 6. Keeps building. And then at the end of the year, you'll have one on 1 through 10. So, yeah, it's really good because you will be so good at pre-algebra by the time we're done with all this. We just keep doing it. Keep doing it. And I made all the reviews. I made review games. I made the cumulative exams. So it's everything we've done. It's not anything from the book. So it's really good. While you guys are thinking of other questions, can you take out your chapter 4 note packet, take it out of your binder, and pass them up? Yeah, definitely. Tests will definitely be back Monday. Like I said before, if their grades are not done by today, I will do them over the weekend. I have 2 meetings today, so I'll staple them. I'll staple them. Yeah. Don't worry about the staple. Okay, guys, just pass them up so I don't have to collect all of them. Just pass them right up. If they're not stapled, that's okay. Put yours on top. I will also give these back to you guys on Monday. Alyssa? Yes, definitely. The grades will be in the progress book by latest Sunday morning. Doug? Okay, thank you guys. Briar, did you turn yours in? Okay. Okay, I didn't want the sub to do this yesterday. Doug, give that back to him. Name? Okay, that would be good. So anyways, I just wanted to give you guys a heads up about the cumulative review and exam. Have you ever or do you typically have unit exams in math? So this is kind of a new thing for you. To me, it's really important, especially when you move as fast as we move in this class. So it'll be kind of interesting to see how you guys do throughout the whole review, especially when we get to the 1 through 8, 1 through 10 one, using those chapters. So anyways, I'll keep you posted. As always, as long as you do well with our reviews in class, warm-ups, review sheet, you should be fine, beyond fine on the test next week on this. Okay? And yes, there will be word problems. Okay, let's go over the warm-up. So, number 1, this has been a while. Did you guys remember the properties? Yes? Okay, good. Say that again. Listen to Matt, guys. Did anyone else take out their old note packet? Very good job. I don't know why. This is a skill I have to teach high school students, so in case you guys didn't understand what he did, the reason I have you keep your note packets is so you can go back to them when we do these spiral reviews. So you can double check on information and, make sure you didn't miss something. If you don't remember the properties, there they are. So very, very good. And I know other people did that. So great, great job. Mary? Then that's fine. Yeah, the point of the note packet is if you forget something to go back to it. Emma? Commutative is, just the order of it. Yeah. All right, so Sean, number 1. Good. Donatus, number 2. Good. Briar, number 3. Identity property of multiplication. For number 2, you may also have the multiplicative property of -1, which I know you guys all like that word. Number 4, Zach. Okay, what about number 5? Nope. Careful. Doug, number 4. Nope. Uh-oh, we're in trouble. Adam, number 4. Good, tell me why. So definition of commutative property, Adam, is? Good. The order that you add numbers, variables, does not matter. Okay, Matt, number 5. Good. Associative property of addition. Alyssa, number 6. Good. Zero property of multiplication. If you forgot those, we will keep reviewing them, but please make sure you always go back to your notes if you need to during school. Just brush up on these a little bit. Okay, Justin, number 7. Very good. It's been a while since we've done these. This is the one where there's 2 different sides to it, and I have my work up here. So you get 2.5 months. Okay, exactly. And yes, it's decimal, but it's not a crazy long decimal. Number 8, Charles. Great job. Annalise, number 9. Perfect. Mary, number 10. Awesome. All right, questions, comments, any problems you need me to go back to, Mary? Okay, that's not right. So, did you look back at your work yet? Okay, so 10 over 5x plus 70 over 5 minus 8 equals 12. Okay? Simplify. Oops, I didn't mean to put that. You did what? 35 over 5? Okay. Do you need me to keep going or no? You sure? Okay. Sean. This one? That's what we just did. Wait, you changed this to a decimal. I recommend not doing that because if you have a fraction like 1/3, it's repeating. It's hard to tell your calculator that it's a repeating decimal, so you're not going to get the exact answer. On this one, you get the exact answer because it's 0.4. So it only works if it's a nice decimal. Does that make sense? Okay. But yeah, you can do it on the nice decimal ones. Emma M? Okay, your initial setup should be 1450 minus 105.75x equals 825 plus 144.25x. In the 1450. Okay. Remember, keep the information of investment 1 with investment 1, and same thing with investment 2. Okay? Annalise? Okay, well, I just did the first part of it. Did you have this equation? Okay. Next step, you can, I would say, move the x's to the left, because that's what we did in class. So minus 144.25 on both sides. So we have 1450 minus 250x equals 825. Are you saying you added 105 to both sides first? Okay, you can still do it that way, but typically we move all the x's to the left. Okay, so plus 105.75x plus 105.75x. So 1450 equals, let's get 250x plus 825, and then minus 825 on both sides. You probably just subtracted wrong. We get 625 equals 250x. Divide by 250. Okay, how did you solve for x then if you didn't move that? Yeah, you can't do that. Okay, anyone else? Okay, let's go over the homework answers quickly, and then we're going to work on some more of it today. Okay, Zach, starting with you. Cumulative, Donatus, head up, please. Number 1 on the cumulative review, you can tell me what the power is in words, but I'm just going to write the answer up on the board. Okay? Did the sub give these to you guys after the test? Okay. All right, that's fine. I like when things are organized in a certain way, but I guess I can't control that when I'm not here, huh? Okay, Zach, number 1. Good. 2 to the 4th power is how you write it out in words, and then when you evaluate it, Zach, what do you get? Okay, but what's the answer? Evaluate means good. So do the same thing Zach did. Tell me what it is repeated multiplication, like say what it is, and then give me the answer. Briar, number 2. Good. Okay, go ahead. You can do it now. Use your calculator. Good. 343. Okay, number 3. Emma H. Good. Sean, number 4. That was really hard, wasn't it? Good job. I'm kidding. Okay, Annalise, number 5. Good. Matt, number 6. Yeah. That's okay. That's not right. Next time I'm going to find a substitute and make that one come. Oh, geez. Okay, Matt, do you understand what I'm saying, though? Like, for number 1, it should be 2 to the 4th power, and then to write it as repeated multiplication, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Oh, man. Okay, number 6, Charles. He even had, oh, no, I didn't leave in my answer key of this. Never mind. Okay, 7, Mary. Good. 8, Adam. Good. Emma M, number 9. Good. Number 10, Donatus. Where's your review? Donatus. Alyssa, number 10. Number 11, Emma H. Good. Number 12, Doug. Good job. Number 13, Justin. Good. 14, Matt. Good. 15, Annalise. Good. 16, Zach. Good. Briar, 17. Good. Sean, 18. Good job. 19, Emma M. Good. Adam, 20. Good job. Mary, 21. Good. Charles, 22. Good. Emma H, 23. Good. 24, Alyssa. Great job. 25, Matt. Good. Or 18 over 100 is fine as well. Justin, 26. Good. Doug, 27. Good. Okay, before I flip the page, just make sure you've checked up to 27. I'm going to go to a different smart board. I'll come back to questions, girls. Just make sure you've checked up through 27. Okay, everyone's with us. Okay, 28. Zach, tell us the answer and what the number line looks like. Good. Closed circle going left. Briar, 29. Okay. Number line? Good. 30. Sean. Bless you, bless you. How should you be reading it? Good. Filled in circle, going to the right, make sure your number lines are numbered correctly. Annalise, 31. Good. Charles, 32. Good. Good. And then the last one, I know there was a typo on that. The M should have been an X. So does anyone have it done even though that thing should have been an X? Matt? Good job. And then what should the number line look like? Good. Okay. Yeah, Doug, raise your hand next time. But yes, before you were here, I announced that you just weren't here today. Okay. Charles. We're going to do a little bit of that in pre-algebra, but not a ton. That's more so algebra. They're fun to solve. I wish I could teach that to you guys, but that's an algebra skill. If there's time at the end of the year, I can show you those, how to do that. Emma H?
Well, I didn't know.
Okay. Oh, good job. Good job. Typo on my part, sorry. Annalise. Okay, so let me show you. So 14. 99 over y equals 11. How do you get rid of the bottom of a fraction? So if we get rid of the y, multiply both sides by y divided by y is 1. So 99 equals 11y. And then to get rid of 11, divide. It's just backwards of what you're used to. It just makes you think. You can't get an answer if there's two variables and there's only one equation. I can still look at it, but you can't solve if you only have one equation with two different variables. Can't solve it. You need to have two equations. Like Charles just said, you need to have two equations if there's two different variables. I can still look at it, but unless you plug a number in from one of them, you can't solve it. Okay, I'll still look at it when we're done with the question part. Emma H? Yeah. Oh, kind of like what I just showed you? That's good. That's all I wanted you guys to do. Do you understand that, how to do it that way? Okay. Anyone else on 1 to 33? Sure? Okay. Thumbs up, thumbs down, thumbs down on 1 to 33. I'm just curious. Donatus? Okay. Let me take a look at the next couple pages here. Let me just make sure there's not any typos. Yeah. All right. So what I want you guys to do now, there's about 15, 20 minutes. I want you to work on the rest of the review, starting with 34. Okay. For now on your own, so I can walk around and make sure you guys are okay. And then as long as I feel like everyone's okay, you guys can work with someone if you want. At the end of class, I will let you know what number you need to be up to for Monday, okay? I just kind of, since I wasn't here yesterday, I kind of want to see where everyone is before I give you a stopping point. Remember, middle of next week, the earliest Wednesday, you'll have your cumulative exam on chapters 1 through 4, which is going to be worth a little more points than a normal test because it's on 4 chapters instead of 1, okay? And this will show me that you're retaining and you really thoroughly understand the information on chapters 1 through 4. Annalise? Yeah, I'll be here, I told you. Anyone else? Any general questions?